AirTags are brilliant when you attach them to your keys or a backpack. But what if you didn't have any accessories attached to your AirTags? How functional are they? Starting off with the actual AirTag itself, because it doesn't have any clear way of attaching it to your keys without buying an accessory, so you could drill a hole in it
and drill straight through your mark.
I really wouldn't recommend that. What I would recommend though is some use cases for the AirTag without having to go out and buy an accessory like this silicone accessory for your keys. There are several places you can put these. For example, Apple wants to sell you on getting a keychain accessory for putting it on your suitcase or your travel bag. What if this was the thing that you just put in your bag and you didn't put on the outside where someone could take it off? What if you put this in your laptop bag or your rucksack, not outside it, inside it? All the stuff will work still. That's not an issue. It's not an issue because the ultra wideband chip still pings off your iPhone. The ultra wideband chip can still ping off other iPhones. It can still play a loud enough sound that you don't have to put it on the outside, and you can still see it in the Find My app. So if you are out there looking to see, okay, can I get an AirTag without having to spend extortionate amount of money? This is your way of doing it. I have been using this AirTag before I got my accessories just to see how functional it would be before I went and got my accessories, and it has been really helpful. You can put, like I said, in your rucksack, your backpack, whatever it is, and so even your camera bag or some concealed pocket or your jacket, like if you have an expensive coat and you want to leave it at work. Put one of these in a concealed pocket, no one will know the difference. And that's how you can save money with your AirTags and how you can be perfectly fine without getting any accessories. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, or join the Discord. Link is always in the video description. My name is Connor. I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.